Okay, so this was a compression ring that was on a line. The problem was I had to change the valve out because the valve stopped working, and somebody put a copper compression ring and nut on a PEX pipe or plastic pipe for water lines. That's what I have. So I'm going to tell you, I tried everything I could to get this thing off without having to cut it, and I could not get it off. I don't know why they would put this on a plastic pipe. You're supposed to use kind of like a shark bite type fitting for those kind of pipes, but they had this on there, and this is really difficult because these can be tough to get off copper, but on plastic they really bite in and it makes them immovable. So it ended up I had to cut this off, which I'm going to show you how I did it, but I just want to show you a close-up here of the cut and what it would look like. That's how far down I cut it. Now, what you have to really be careful of is not to cut through it as you're trying to get this off. You don't want to cut through this. You just want to cut it deep enough so then you can get your screwdriver in there, as I did, and then you twist your screwdriver and it cracks it open, and then it comes right off. But you do not want to cut that through, otherwise you're going to be cutting your pipe. So do this very slow. Do a couple slices at a time with your blade, with your hacksaw blade. Look at it as soon as you can get your screwdriver, any bite in there, then try it, and then try to crack it with your screwdriver. And that's what I did, and it came off clean after that. So if anybody puts one of these on your plastic pipes, you'll have another idea or another way you can try to get it off if everything else fails. Okay, so here's the valve I had to remove because it simply stopped working after I had to close it. And it was just defective after that, so I had to remove it. This was put on a plastic PEX pipe, and as you can see, they put a compression fitting on it. And this is going to be very difficult to get off. There's a close-up of it. You see the ring there, the compression ring. That is very tough to get off of a plastic pipe. And I tried everything available. I tried a large pair of pliers, and no luck. It's not going to come off. I tried a small pair of pliers. I tried a compression removal tool, which doesn't work very well on plastic pipe. And so ultimately, I had to go to the hacksaw to cut it off. Again, take your time. You're going to cut it at an angle. I forgot to say that on the beginning. You're going to cut it at an angle, not straight, but at an angle. Take your time. It's hard to get a line started on it. Just be very careful. Do a couple times, then look, feel it with your finger, see if you're getting in there. Do it some more, and keep going until you get enough of a groove, like I showed you, to get a screwdriver in there, and then twist the screwdriver to snap that thing and break it. That was the only way I could get it off. And there's the snap right there that broke it and worked for me. So that's it. Good luck to you. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Please also subscribe for more videos like this on how to work things around your house and fix things. And we will see you on the next video. Take care.